Good morning. This morning, we waited a little bit later to walk in. We're going to be walking into a place called Hidden Falls. It's just about a mile above Oconee State Park in Mountain Rest, South Carolina. Very easy walk. We're at a Forest Service road. It's Forest Service Road number 715. This road actually goes down to, if you go all the way, it'll go to Oconee Station Falls. But where we're going this morning is just a short walk, maybe a couple of miles to Hidden Falls. And I'm hoping that it's cold enough that the falls will be frozen and have icicles. And very, very beautiful falls, probably 100, 120 feet maybe high. But it's a beautiful morning for it. It's good and cool. It's almost lunchtime now, but it was about 23 degrees this morning. Now it's about 40. Beautiful day for a walk, beautiful blue skies. I just love picking these kind of days to go. So as we head out, like I always say, if you can do this yourself, then get off the couch and go do it yourself. If you can't for some reason, I'm glad to have you come with me. Let's go. Made it into the falls. It was about almost 2 miles, maybe a little over 2 miles in. Because it's been so dry, these waterfalls are kind of puny right now, but they're still very beautiful. And as I was mentioned before we started in, I was hoping they'd be a little ice. There are icicles hanging all over the falls. This is a very, very pretty place. And it's easy to get to. There's no reason, if you're able at all, there's no reason you couldn't make this walk. Come in and see this for yourselves. I'm gonna take some pictures, and I'm gonna walk up the falls just a little bit, and sit down and take a little quiet time. And we'll talk a little more before we head out. But man, this is pretty. I want everybody to see the goodness of God, what He's given us. We'll talk in a little bit. Let's take a quiet moment. Well, we've been sitting here for probably 30 minutes. So had a little lunch and been sitting here reflecting on what the Creator's given us. It's just amazing. No matter how many times I do it, it's amazing that the beauty of this world, the beauty of the things that God's given us to be stewards of. And I'm just so thankful. I've been sitting here thinking about childhood friends, about friends that I grew up with. And some are facing some difficult times now. I've been praying for them. And I know that the Lord has his hands on them, and I'm just thankful. Listen to me, I'm thankful. We're gonna pack up, get our stuff up here and start heading back out. Make this pretty walk back out, and we'll take some pictures on the way out, and we'll talk when we get back to the truck. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, we made it back to the truck. It was about 4.5 miles in and out, and it's a definite. You need to put this on your list of things to do. This is a waterfall that's fairly easy to get back out. It's not too steep, not too rugged. It is a mountain trail, so it's going to have a little difficulty, but it's not as bad as some. But it was a lot of fun, beautiful day, and I'm just glad I got to share it with somebody. This just does so much for me, and I know it would for you if you'll give it a chance and you just get out. Take the opportunity. If you've got even if you've got a few minutes, just get out and reflect on the beauty of this creation. Get out in these Blue Ridge Mountains. Like I said, it's one of the prettiest places on this earth, I think. So come, see it, visit it, do this for yourself. See you next time.